Namaskar friends, welcome to Headlines of the Day. In this video, we will discuss major headlines of Indian Express. Before we begin, I would say all progress takes place outside the comfort zone and remember friends, there is no traffic jam along the extra mile. तो चलिए फिर इसी के साथ आज का डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. Our first important headline is Nirav Modi step closer to extradition, loses his appeal in UK court. It is available on page number 1. और ये रिलेटेड है पेपर टू गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज एंड इंटरवेंशन से. इन दिस आर्टिकल वी हैव टू नो अबाउट extradition, legislative basis and extradition treaty of India with other countries. तो दोस्तों इसको हमारी वेबसाइट पे बहुत शानदार तरीके से कवर किया गया है. लिंक अवेलेबल करा दिया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में. अगर हम ओवरव्यू देखें तो दोस्तों एक्स्ट्राडिशन इज एन एक्ट वेयर वन jurisdiction delivers a person accused or convicted of committing crime in another jurisdiction over to their law enforcement. Our next important headline is to meet states' demand, PM Awas Yojana gets 13,000 crore extra. It is available on page number 3 और ये related है paper to welfare scheme से. In this article, we have to know about प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना ग्रामीण, aims and implementation status, challenges and way ahead. तो दोस्तों प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना को हमारी वेबसाइट पे बहुत अच्छे से कवर किया गया है. लिंक अवेलेबल करा दिया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में. अभी न्यूज में क्यों है? क्योंकि रिसेंटली Union Ministry of Finance has approved an advance of 13,000 crore for the rural housing scheme from Contingency Fund of India. Our next important headline is Respect Checks and Balances. It is available on page number 14 और ये related है paper to judiciary section से. In this article we have to know how is the collegium constituted and what are its responsibilities, issues in the collegium's functioning and way ahead. तो दोस्तों इन सारे पॉइंट्स को लाइन बाय लाइन हमारी वेबसाइट पे कवर किया गया है. लिंक अवेलेबल करा दिया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में. उसके अलावा कुछ पॉइंट्स आप यहां से भी देख सकते हैं. ठीक. Our next important headline is Failing the Constitution. It is available on page number 15 और ये related है paper to polity and governance से. In this article, we have to know about Supreme Court's recent verdict on EWS quota and what basis was the quota challenged, other highlighted issues, recent observations, conclusion and way ahead. तो दोस्तों इसको भी हमारी वेबसाइट पे रिसेंटली कवर किया गया है. लिंक अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में. Our next important headline is Trivializing Hunger. It is available on page number 15 और ये related है paper to issues relating to poverty and hunger. In this article, we have to know about Global Hunger Index and India's reaction to the latest Global Hunger Index and why do we need a more comprehensive index than Global Hunger Index and way ahead. दोस्तों इससे रिलेटेड कंटेंट हमारी वेबसाइट पे अवेलेबल है और लिंक अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में. उसके अलावा कुछ यहाँ पे भी अच्छे पॉइंट्स गिवन है तो आप वो भी देख सकते हैं. अगर हम ओवरव्यू देखें तो इन दिस आर्टिकल इट हैज बीन हाइलाइटेड दैट ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स मेड सीरियस एरर्स इन क्लासिफिकेशन एंड मेथोडोलॉजी. Our next important headline is Vikram S set for liftoff, giant leap for Indian private sector in space. It is available on page number 19 और ये related है paper 3 space section से. In this article we have to know about mission Prarambh and features and significance of Vikram S. तो दोस्तों India's first privately developed launch vehicle is set to make its maiden flight from Indian Space Research Organization and the mission of Hyderabad based Skyroot Aerospace is called Prarambh, which means beginning, and it will carry 2 Indian and 1 foreign customer payloads on the launch vehicle named Vikram. बाकी अदर पॉइंट्स के लिए हमारी वेबसाइट पे भी इसको कवर किया गया है. लिंक अवेलेबल करा दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में. Our next important headline is Green Bonds Finance Ministry clears framework. It is available on page number 21 और ये related है paper 3 economy section से. In this article we have to know about green bond and what is the need of green bonds, challenges associated with green bonds and way ahead. दोस्तों recently government gave note to the final sovereign green bonds framework in line with the budget announcement. And what's the objective behind the move? The issuance of green bonds are intended to raise funds for public sector projects to help in reducing carbon intensity of the economy. Our next and last important headline is Government allows trade settlements in rupee for export promotion schemes. It is available on page number 21 और ये भी related है paper 3 economy section से. In this article, we have to know what are the changes made by the government to the foreign trade policy and objectives behind the move. तो दोस्तों recently Center made changes to the foreign trade policy to enable trade settlements in Indian rupee for export promotion schemes. With this amendment, invoicing, payment and settlements of trade can now take place in Indian currency. तो दोस्तों आज के लिए इतना ही. Thanks for listening. For regular updates, you can follow us on various social media platforms.